Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a free landing page for Facebook ads step-by-step tutorial. So the first step here that we can do is open up your browser and then go to the search box and type right here system.io and then press enter and then go to the main website. So once you're here on the main website, you can see get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. Then we have some features like creating sales funnels, sending marketing emails, building websites, and also here managing your affiliates and create online access, automate your marketing. So basically here we can create our landing page for free. So what we're going to do is basically if you don't have an account yet, you just need to click on the Get My Free Account button right there at the top right. And here you just need to enter your email address. Now, once you've signed up for a free account, you are now logged into your dashboard. So all you need to do is just need to click on the funnels right there at the top. So basically click this funnels. And here you can create everything related to capturing and selling visitors. So to create your Facebook ads landing page, just click on this create button at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here, as you can see, you can select what kind of funnel or template do you want from predefined options based on end goals. You can just enter the name, the funnel domain, and choose your funnel goal. If you want build an audience, collect email addresses and build your email list. Or if you want sell a product or a service, or build a custom funnel from scratch and run evergreen webinars to automate your business. And here you can also change the currency. Now in this sample, I'm going to select the sell because I'm going to create a Facebook ads. So like this one, and then click on save button. Now here, as you can see, you will now added one funnel right over here. So you can basically customize it. If you click on the three dots, you can duplicate, you can share, you can deactivate, or you can go to settings. So for example here, if you're going to click on three dots and click on view, here you will find your landing page. So as you can see, I don't have the landing page yet. So basically we have to create a landing page for our Facebook ads. So to do that, you just need to click on the funnel name right here. So click on this one. Now, as you can see, you can then select here any of the page that you want to create. If you want to create an order form right here, or if you want a thank you page or inactive page. So for example, if you want to create a Facebook ad landing page, so you just need to select here on order form and select the template that you want to use. So for example here, I'm going to find a template that basically I can use for my Facebook ads. For example, this one here, and then I'm going to click on select button. So once you click on the select button, then you will now go to the next step, which is configuration. So you just need to enter the name and URL path right over here. You can add it this one. You can add affiliate commission, sales limit, choose offer type. If you are, or if you have digital products or physical products right here, and you can also customize every settings right here. Now to create your landing page, basically you just have to click this edit page button right here at the right side of your screen. Then you will now go to the website editor. So basically this page editor is easy to use. So you just have to select the elements where you want to edit or customize. So here on elements, we have some options like text. We have headline text. For example, if you're going to select the headline from here, you can customize this. You can change the typography, you can change the font size or the line height, depending on your preference or branding. And then also here, you can change the font type. If you want like web safe fonts, Google fonts, or like custom fonts. So basically, I'm going to just select the default option, which is right here. And then also you can change the letter spacing if you want, and then also the text background color. So in my case, I'm going to change the background color. So basically, you just have to look for your branding color right from here. And then you can also customize the margin, the padding, or you can just customize the spaces, the size, or you can make it be visible on desktop or in mobile. So other options here, we have bullet list, as you can see right here. We can add some content box if you want. And also you can add some column, like if you want to add 4 columns, 3, 2 columns, or row or section. And here you can also add something like forms. So basically, we're going to add a button where if they going to click on the button, they will go directly to your website. So basically, this is very important. You just have to create your button here, select the button height. You can just customize the buttons, the color, so it will be visible to your visitors. Now, next here, we have also other options like here you can add some form input. You can add a checkbox or reCAPTCHA. Now, in the payment options here, you can add payment button. You can also add a order bump or payment method. So as you can see here, and also we can add customer type, physical product, if you want to view your sample products right here, and offer price. So basically, you can customize depending on your preference. So as you can see right here, you can customize your landing pages for Facebook ads. You can change headline, add bullet points or button text, or you can grab your affiliate link so you can get credit for sales. Then you can input a button connector to create continuity from ad to landing page to offer, boosting relevance and conversations. So once done creating and customizing your landing page, basically you just have to click on the Save Changes button right there at the top right. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, so I'm going to delete the payment method page right here. Okay, and then go back and save these changes. Now we're going to be boosting conversations with automations. So in the automation rules, as you can see here, it lets you create automations on your pages that trigger sequences. So here, new sale, sale canceled, page visited, subscription payment failed. So anyone who entered their email gets automatically added to your favorite email service like MailChimp. Then you can send customized welcome or onboarding sequences to provide immense value immediately. So as you can see in this system, you can build multi-step sales funnels, complex workflows, and integrate third-party tools using automation triggers. And once you've done customizing your page, you can then preview your page across desktop view and mobile view. So to do that, just click on the view funnel right here, and you will find here your sample landing page for Facebook ads. And finally, you can then just publish this one. You can get the shareable link. So go back to the step configuration. So click on this URL path right here, not this one. All right, from here, you'll click this link. So copy the clipboard, and then once you share this one, and once they go to that link, they will definitely automatically go to your landing page. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.